suka navumbuluka irepa ndiposa ndipushe ngenkanile sobe ngiyaphuthuluka sikhubuluza indaba thina sifuna ukubuza sala sikusha we proving wrong ababesikuza babebhuda bebhizi besenzela i-countdown sala sikusha bonke sibam better with guns down better with guns down better with guns down better with guns down and the guns down and the guns down better with guns down and I can't even know any city chickity chickity Franka chickity 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 Franka chickity 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 engwasi starter Rayman i-album ikhona bafethu 150 for nina ikhaphu zikhona ibani yamkhumbula unqonzo wanqandima indoda yabo niyayazi athi yabo zikhaphsi zakhe ezimfowethu 50 rand for nina otherwise ona i70 cha kuba ningabantu noko enibaqondayo ba uJanuary uyaJanuareka nakubona yabo so 50 rand bafethu i-album is 150 bucks but izoyithuvela London nesibane somoya is 250 only unamhlanje cha we are working towards i-album yokugqibela then sibeke phansi ngento edibene ne-rap so rap kokutsha ibe ngathi siyaqala uzalo after ungalingcwabi iphupho saphila merchandise iskipa 450 bucks then siku pick up ngaphezulu isweater 550 bucks hoodie 600 bucks sikhona nezedon hoodies uyabo isibane by u-ATP starter and be proud for having u-ATP as omnye wenu uyabo siyabulela bahlali man